Alrighty, I have dremeled my ball, so the seams and stuff are smooth. It wasn't as bad as I thought. It still looks really bad, but wood glue will take care of all that. So, I'm starting to work on the details. I took a scrap piece of my insulation purple foam board, pink, purple, whatever you want to call it. This is actually my first time working with this. I started to cut out pieces for my Soraka staff and they weren't big enough, so when I go to start my Soraka staff, I have to cut these pieces out again in a bigger size so I can sand them down. Anyways, so I cut my circle out for the top of the bomb. How is this gonna work, actually? I'm not sure. I guess I just sand it down until it fits. I will make it work. So yeah, I cut my circle out and I'm starting to sand it so it's nice and smooth. I'm just using sandpaper that I had on hand. What is this? This is 100 grit. And it seems to be working really nicely, actually. So, it's getting the foam nice and smooth. So, that's nice. I imagine this is going to take a little while. And it's going to get everywhere. But look how smooth that is. This makes me worry less about my staff for Soraka, because the whole big moon is going to be made out of this, and like 4 layers of this, so yeah. Sucks I couldn't get as clean of a cut as I wanted to because I don't have my sharp razor blade with me. I have my crappy old one. My sharp one is at my sister's house because I took some stuff over there to craft over there, and I haven't got it back yet because she's been busy. I was gonna go over there and sew some stuff, but yeah. Alright, so I'm getting the sides all smooth as possible and as even as possible. Ugh. This stuff is going to get everywhere, so be prepared for that. I think this is like the perfect grit though, so I'm lucky because all I have is, no, I have a variety of paper. Sandpaper. I tried 150 first and it's just it's not gritty enough, so it wasn't working. The 100 seems to be working perfectly. Obviously, this doesn't have to be super perfect. It is going to be covered in Worbla, so that will help fix some imperfections. But I want to fix as many imperfections first as I can. And somehow, I'm wondering, how does insulation foam work with heat? That I'm not sure. Pretty sure it melts. But I gotta sand this down so it fits flushly with the top of my bomb. I feel like I should be doing this live instead of making a video. Because who's gonna watch this video? It's boring. And it's already over 5 minutes long, so maybe I'll end it. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video. And yeah. Alright. Happy crafting!